How to turn off quiet mode on Instagram. Hey guys, in this short tutorial you will learn how to turn off quiet mode on Instagram. Quiet mode is a feature that limits the notification you receive from the app, allowing you to take a break and have some quiet time away from the constant updates. However, if you want to go back to receiving all notifications as usual, I will guide you through the process. First of all, you need to open Instagram app. Then you need to click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. And here you need to click on three lines on the top right corner of the screen. Then you need to click on settings and privacy. Here click on notifications. And here you will see an option of quiet mode. You can automatically mute notifications at night or whenever you need to focus. Click on it. Now to turn off quiet mode on Instagram, simply toggle on this switch over here and click on turn off quiet mode. So that wrap up this tutorial. If you have any question about this whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.